A few years ago, I sat across from a dad who lost weekend time because the judge said he seemed less settled, even though his house was full of kids' drawings and sneakers by the door.
Welcome to Danni's Den. Let's chat.
Stick with me for the next 10 minutes. You'll get 3 practical wins: spotting subtle courtroom signals, scripts to keep tense conversations focused, and simple habits that protect your parenting time and family routines.
What do I mean by implicit bias in court?
It isn't an accusation. It's a pattern. Small assumptions that rush in whenever facts are thin. So fitness or stability can quietly stand in for things like gender roles, housekeeping, or who shows up in a suit versus who shows up after a night shift.
Picture this: 2 parents, 2 courtroom impressions. One arrives with a neat folder, polished shoes, a clear timeline.
The other walks in right off a night shift, carrying a backpack and a sleeping child. Your mind fills gaps. So does theirs, right? Exactly. And those gaps become the silent signals that sway impressions. Some listeners will hear this and think, so you're saying the court might judge me for a messy living room? Yes, and that's exactly why tiny, honest records matter. They change the story courts see.
So what can you do at home right now?
Start with short scripts. You'll be surprised how much they calm a partner or a co-parent. If someone criticizes your parenting in the moment, try, "I hear you. Here's what happened, and here's what I'll do next." For co-parent logistics, use this 3-line structure. State the fact, note the impact, offer the fix. I picked Jamie up at 10:30 a.m. They missed art class. I can text the schedule every Friday. Would that help? Short. Neutral. Creates a record. Documentation may sound boring, but it protects you. A dated calendar, short notes after exchanges, and photos of routines. These are the 3 things to keep. They're low effort, and judges actually understand concrete dates and images. When you talk to an attorney, ask, how have judges in this county handled these facts? And what evidence persuades here? That steers your effort to what actually moves the needle, instead of guessing. Now, protecting rituals. Game day routines are family glue. If Eagle Sundays or Yankees nights matter, make logistics simple and written. Short confirmations, precise times, and a photo at handoff. Confirming drop-off Saturday at 5 for game day. I'll pick up at 8, okay? You don't need to look like a magazine to prove stability. You need records that show consistent care. Okay, a quick reset you can use tonight. A 3-step music ritual to unwind and reconnect. Step 1. Pick 2 songs. A warm R&B groove with a steady mid-tempo beat, and a 90s-style upbeat with a hand clap rhythm to spark a smile. Step 2. Play the first song for about 3 minutes and ask everyone to name one small thing they're grateful for while it plays. Step 3. Cue the 90s-style upbeat for about a minute. Clap, sway, or do a tiny dance together. Breaks the tension and reintroduces play. Keep it short. Keep it consistent. The ritual becomes a reliable reset button when things get tense. Let's wrap with 3 simple takeaways to try this week. 1. Notice silent signals. Name them to yourself so they stop running the show. 2. Use short, neutral scripts in tense moments and in co-parent messages. 3. Start one low-effort documentation habit, a photo, a calendar entry, or a short confirmation text after exchanges. This episode is informational and not legal advice. If you need case-specific help, talk to a licensed attorney who can review your facts. Subscribe to Danni's Den, and if you want case-specific help, DM me or request the free 30-minute consult. Let's chat.